Okay. Okay, sir.
Now, let's continue. I think with respect to what we discussed was that
Yeah.
we want to make all Tanzanians owner of Buffalo Gold Mine in USA. Okay.
Yes.
What we are
Okay.
getting in USA is this, that it's a $2 billion assets of gold and
Yes.
silver and other minerals in
Yeah.
that mine. And
Yes.
we are getting it. Sam Climate Smart Trust is getting that
Yes.
mine for $110 million.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when we
Okay.
calculate that amount, you see, so what we are talking about is
Yeah.
that if we can enroll all the Tanzanians in Sam's TQLMA Club with just 10 PGC or 20 Canadian dollars, we have the money needed. All that money is going to go into our SAM Climate Smart Trust, and then SAM Climate Smart Trust can acquire the gold mine. And Tanzanians will be the proud owner of that gold mine.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the model, and we will share the details with it. Now, I think with
Yes.
respect to the reason that was the reason I wanted to incorporate SAM Climate Smart Trust also in Tanzania as a social
Yes.
enterprise, so that all the money which got accumulated in that trust, the seed money which we are talking about, got accumulated from Tanzanians.
Yeah.
You know, in those Tanzanians, if who doesn't even have 10 Canadian dollars, we will help them out. Okay, we will give them support so that everybody is enrolled and nobody is left behind. Okay, since we are talking about this as a benchmark Tanzanian project, okay, that a country in
Yeah.
Tanzania actually, became the, owner of this gold mine. That's what we are looking at. Okay, just hold on a second. I'm going to answer the. Okay, so let us continue. And
Yeah.
so this is what we are looking at. Okay, that we are, enrolling everyone into our Sam's TQLMA club. Okay, and annual membership is 10 pure gold coins. Okay, which is equivalent to 20 Canadian dollar. And in that membership, we will also include the membership of Victory Garden. Okay, Victory Garden is a project of Canada, all right, and all the mothers, of Tanzania will be trained in building the Victory Garden in their home. Okay, so they
Okay.
can grow their own food and they can also earn an extra income.
Okay.
So that is a project of another NGO which I'm working with, in
Yeah.
Canada, and they are interested in uplifting the global families by building Victory Garden in their homes. So so now every family will have economic vibrancy also at the same time. So the benefit
Yeah.
of becoming a Sam's TQLMA club member with 10 pure gold coin or 20 Canadian dollar is this, that they are also getting the membership, annual membership of Victory Garden. And Mrs. Joanne Kerr is going to help those families, build the Victory Garden in their home. Okay, so
Yes.
that is the benefit.
Mm.
So
So
that,
excuse me, sir. Will you please later on write in writing so that I can study all these things slowly so that I can study better? That is first that owning Buffalo Gold Mine,
okay,
and this is the second of this garden,
garden.
so that I can have a clear understanding.
Now, what I will do is I will create a document which we will call it Climate Smart Tanzania. Okay.
Yes.
I will
Yes.
also include send me your picture and image and everything. So I will include
Yes.
your image as a Sans TQLMA global leader in Tanzania. So you will be part of the profile. And in
Yes.
that profile, I will be actually
Yes.
creating a document of how
Yes.
can we make Tanzania climate smart. So that document
Yes.
will be with you. officially you will also be part of the leadership team of SAMS TQLMA Global.
Yes.
So whenever you share it with anybody, you are officially representing our company,
Yes.
our group.
Yes.
Okay, so I will do that. I will prepare that document and then I will email it back to you. So you have that complete document with you. We will also share the recording, of this previous recording as well as this one, so that, we know that we have agreed on these things. And
Yes.
there is a fantastic synergy between what you have done, up until now,
Yes.
and now to take that forward by really making, a southern portion of Tanzania, which is not as advanced as Dar es Salaam, which is about 1,000 miles away, into a place which is better than Dar es Salaam.
Yes.
Okay, so that will be like our internal, sort of an agenda. Okay, that we have, if we can really put our minds together and put our collective wisdom together, everything is possible.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Right.
people from Dar es Salaam and, more advanced cities of Tanzania will come to see our, project in, southern Tanzania.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
they would.
That will be okay. That will
No,
be
because
okay.
the reason why I'm telling you this, because the reason is that we are actually re-engineering a closed university.
Yes.
We are adopting that university and we are going to be making that university the best university of Tanzania. That is
Yes,
my
the university
interest.
was there, and the government was making inspection all over the country, and
Okay.
they closed.
Okay.
So among those closed, one of our university here, and it was the only university, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So what we will do
So
is
they
this, and
closed
that will, and we will simply, we will get the foreign direct investment and everything else from the Tanzanian government, because we tell them that, okay, by SAM Climate Smart Trust will be adopting all the closed universities of Tanzania, or all the universities which are in trouble in Tanzania. And the first one we are adopting is in your southern area, in your city.
Yeah.
That's it. So, I mean, we are there. I mean, we are out there to really move forward with the execution of the project, and we are not in the planning phase. The planning has been done. All the technologies are available. Nobody understands and knows climate smart technology. So we have developed that technology to make our world climate smart. And the first country which is going to be a benchmark climate smart country will be Tanzania.
Yes.
Okay, and the collaboration will be, and the nice part is this, that, Mr. Pradip Sapkota, who is, the creator of Sunway Research and Innovation Center, a social enterprise, also works in Africa. So he is very familiar with all the, issues as well as opportunities in Africa, and he will be part of our team. Okay.
Understood.
So that is what we we need to do. So I will really put you in touch with Mr. Pradip Sapkota, so you can work with him and then realize incorporation of this enterprise. Okay. Now make sure that one of your organization, and basically your for-profit company, is 100% operational and with a bank account and everything, so we can immediately share that bank account, okay, in our enrollment form, etc., so that people can start putting their enrollment money and everything into our local account.
Okay.
It will be easier for them to do the the transactions, instead of sending the money to a foreign account like HSBC account in Hong Kong, which is my account, a global account for doing gold business. We will be actually, setting up our account there, so that all the, local Tanzanian or Tanzanian citizens and residents can put in their funds, in a SAMS TQLMA Club membership amount into our local bank account. And eventually, once we have the bank account of SAM Climate Smart Trust, then definitely all the donations and everything else Kyocera funds, the NGO funds, all that funds will be then transacted on our SAM Climate Smart Trust account.
Okay.
Okay, so that is what we need to do, and let's complete those small bits of formalities, you know, with agility, so that we can immediately now start the execution part. And you know,
Yeah.
that's it. So any other questions you have? So to move forward.
Yeah. Before I go back to those assignments that you have given to complete.
Uh-huh.
I would like to introduce this one here, this young man here.
Okay. All right.
This this is Barak.
So please introduce yourself, and the floor is yours, and you know, become a professor and let me know your plan of making Tanzania climate smart.
Hi, sir. So this is Baraka.
Baraka. Okay.
His name is Barak.
Okay.
And he is just last month completed Form 6.
Okay.
He's waiting for results of Form 6.
Okay.
And he's interested. Is one of the members in that CBO.
Okay. In CBO. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And he's interested to do this social work.
Okay. Wonderful.
And if you think, if you agree, or if you think the better, we can use this one to go and study. You say that it can be taken some people among us so that they can study how to deal with these issues. This one is ready.
Wonderful. So I think we will enroll him in the GEMBA program, Global Executive MBA program, fill out the form, etc., so that he can fill that form out. He becomes a student of Global Executive MBA, and then his role would be to enroll mothers of Tanzania into our program.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
It will be available.
And then what we will do is we will try to, you know, like these recordings which we have, we will try to transform these recordings into a local language. I think what language is being spoken? Swahili is being spoken there.
He is speaking Swahili.
Okay.
And English is a language in studying.
Wonderful. Excellent.
But, you know, we are not English users.
Okay.
We use English in studying.
Correct. And I think that is the way it should be. And so I think that is good that he knows English and he knows Swahili also. So now he can translate the messages, you know, which we are recording in this meeting into the local language. So it is easy for people to understand what we are talking about. Okay. And the most powerful things which we can do, you know, for all the mothers of Tanzania is the Victory Garden. I want them to own a Victory Garden. They will build a Victory Garden in their home so they can grow their own food and they can also earn an extra income. And Mrs. Joanne Kerr is very good at that. And she is going to make sure that that happens in Tanzania.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Back to those points to review. If I think I've understood well, or if you, if I don't understand, then you can make it clear, more clear to me.
Okay.
Number one, to incorporate Dr. Mufada Meza in the company. That is the assignment one.
For-profit company.
To incorporate Dr. Mufada Meza in the company. This company.
Correct.
Yes. Secondly, SANS Climate Smart Trust to incorporate as social enterprise and as NGO.
In Tanzania, yes.
In Tanzania.
Okay.
Yeah. Thirdly, Dr. Mufada will connect me with the Predict of Nepal.
Subquota. Yes.
Predict of Kota. What's the name? Predict?
Pradip, P-R-A-D-E-P, Pradip Subquota, S-A-P-K-O-T-A. So I will link you, Mr. Pradip, with you so that he will share the details about the Sunway Research and Innovation Center as a social enterprise in Nepal, and we will duplicate the same model in Tanzania.
Yes.
For SAM Climate Smart Trust.
Yes, that is thirdly. Fourth, to open bank account for this this company.
Yes.
So this company will be the one that will be dealing with these issues.
Correct. Exactly. So we have one bank account, and for-profit companies. So we can talk about gold mining and all the other for-profit business which we want to do in Africa. We can utilize your company to do it.
So with this company, signatories will be me and you.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Fifthly, to own Buffalo Gold Mine as shareholders.
Yes. Everybody can become a shareholder, because what is happening is this, okay, that SAM Climate Smart Trust is owning the gold mine, and everybody puts in their money, whatever money they have and whatever amount of shares they want to own, they will put their money there. And I will give you the, the method of doing it. 1 part per million, okay, 1 part per million of Buffalo Gold Mine campus is equivalent to 2,000 PGC or 4,000 Canadian dollars. Okay. So accordingly, whatever amount of money you are putting in, we are going to be making them, we will give them the ownership accordingly. And they will become really the owner of the campus, Buffalo Gold Mine campus.
Okay, you will make all those details in writing so that I can understand it better.
Okay.
Okay. So that is what I have summarized.
All right.
That is what I have summarized up to that.
Wonderful. I think so. Now I think everything is in place. And if there are no more questions, we can conclude the meeting, and then we can move towards go forward towards executing it. And then the next meeting which we will have will be sort of a formal board of director meeting to maybe share the updates as to what has happened, what has been accomplished, and if there are any hiccups or problems, how can we solve the problems? So it will be sort of a working session. So our introductory meeting, I think, has been very, very productive, and I think we are moving forward now. You are representing our group and our company in Tanzania, okay, officially and legally. I will put you in our profile, share your image, professional image, which I can put in the profile. Okay, so we will put you in the profile. I will develop a working paper, of transforming Tanzania into climate smart country of Africa. That is my assignment. I will do that. And then once that is there, I will share that with you. And then according to that document, you start the, communicating and executing the process, because, we need to communicate with everybody. And I think the best way to communicate with everyone, every Tanzanian, is to establish a university corporate linkage. Because our company is there, and our company will be establishing the linkage with the university campuses. And since we are talking about Startup New York program execution in Tanzania, that means that our corporate offices of SAM Stikwelma Global Limited will be in a university campus.
Yes.
Okay. So that is another assignment which you can write on, a most important one, is to establish the linkages with all the universities of Tanzania, and then engaging all the professors to sort of, transforming the closed university into a benchmark climate smart university. That's a project, right? Immediate project which we are executing.
Can you come up again at that point to establish linkages with
all the universities of Tanzania?
Yes.
Why? Because we are going to be, enrolling students from that university in Gamba program, and then sending those students to USA for training in climate smart mining, gold mining, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is what our interest is. And then, that way the linkage is established, and we will be setting up SAMS TQLMA Global Limited offices in the university campus, where we are building SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School Health Center. We are building the health center in a university campus so that we can take care of the COVID-19 problems, which exist locally in East Africa, as well as then inviting all the Africans from America to come back to their countries and then, recover from COVID-19 and enjoy a good life in their own country.
Okay.
Okay.
So to start with, what university do you think I can go and establish this?
Well, the one which is closest to you, but then now we will be I will be sharing the profile, our profile with all the universities of Tanzania myself, and I will be CCing you on that and letting the leadership of the university know that you are representing our company in Tanzania and they should be working with you.
Yes.
Okay, so I will take part of that. And the universities which are closest to you, where the professors and when the students probably who are studying in those universities, you can establish the contact yourself. But I'm going to make sure that I will be in touch with all the universities of Tanzania, and we will be sending them the invitation, sharing our profile with them, and basically telling them that we are interested in enrolling all their students in Global Executive MBA program, so we can send them to Oregon, USA, to build Buffalo Gold Mine campus, which they are actually owning also, because we want all the Tanzanians to own the Buffalo Gold Mine.
Okay.
Okay.
So
that's the plan.
You will be teaching me slowly by slowly so that I can understand it better.
Correct.
But by starting, I will look for nearby university, one of the universities to start with. Then I will tell you.
Correct. Yes. And then once the link is established, it will be easier for you to enroll the students which we want to enroll into our program. And then those students are then going to be going out and enrolling all the mothers and all the families of, Tanzania. I'm sort of now estimating that 60 million people divided by 5 means, those are the number of families which exist in Tanzania, and the student's responsibility would be to go to each family, and enroll all the members of the family into our program.
Yes.
Okay. So that's a target.
Okay.
So basically now we are not talking about really enrolling 60 million Tanzanians, but we are talking about enrolling, say, 12 million mothers who are actually leading the family of Tanzania.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's a master plan.
I'll send you a good photo for profile.
Right.
Yeah.
Send that. So I will just update you in our profile, and then we immediately start the execution of the process. You can do that immediately now, but I will be putting this recording also into our profile also, so people know that these are the agreements which we jointly have, and this is our master plan of really re-engineering Tanzania and making it the benchmark climate smart corruption free country of Africa.
Understood, sir.
To delight the soul of our wonderful president, who is no longer with us.
But God knows that's the plan of God.
Okay, that is the plan.
Yeah.
And I'm doing all of that to thank the soul of the president, as well as all the Tanzanians who really delighted us with their wonderful gesture of taking care of all the guests of Sayyidina Ali Qadar Mufaddal Saifuddin during that New Year conference in Dar es Salaam.
Appreciate. Yes.
So with that note, I think we should conclude, and I will include the recording of this meeting also, in our profile, so that then you have everything in, whatever you need will be available
Yes.
in that document, and
Yes.
we basically move forward, with our Tanzanian projects.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you for your patience, and you have been persistent, and I like that because that is a quality which always pays off. And we will definitely utilize your professional wisdom, experience, and all the
I'll be available and hardworking.
Sure.
I promise. Yes.
Okay. So
Thank
shall
you.
we conclude?
Thank you. Okay.
Ignas? Okay. All right.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Take care and provide our blessed greetings to all the Tanzanians. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Sure thing. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, sir. May God bless you. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah.